your mother? Are you happy? It's relaxing while she's pampering me. Very exhausting. I tend to feel lazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaale. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Asaba, Delta State, and this is a vlog. Yes, and I feel like it's been a while that I have vlogged, and there's gonna be a lot in this vlog. I'm expecting my sister and her daughters from Portharcourt. They will be spending the summer with us. They were here, that was during April. It was in my Easter vlog, and I have missed them a lot, and she'll also get to celebrate her birthday here also, so it's gonna be just something low-key. Yes, and then I'll also do grocery shopping because we need a lot of things in the house, and I also need to do self-care. Look at my brows, it's not on point at all. My nails, so it's been a while I did my nails here, so I'm gonna do something with press-on nails. Also, thank you for joining the family, my new subscribers, and to my friends that have always been here supporting me back to back. Thank you so much. Let's get going. Okay, that's what you calculated. It's big. Yes, I like it.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes. she forgot their traveling bag when they were doing changeover now, like when they were changing from Africa. So she forgot the bag. So she go to cook her.
Say hi to YouTube. Come on, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Welcome. Are you happy to be home?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Momo, are you happy?
This fine. You say you walk like this.
Say hi, YouTube. My sister's here. We're doing summer together. Yeah, so I'm happy to have them. I'll catch up with you all later. We have a lot to talk about. See you guys. So I made my sister's hair and she really loved it, and I filmed it. It's up on YouTube Shorts, the steps and everything I used. Please do well to check it out. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to be grooming my eyebrows and there's no power, so I decided to film without power. Yeah. I just like to keep my brows looking very natural. You know, I don't like it to be too slim. You know, so even if I have to fill it up with my eyebrow pencil, it's still going to be easy for me. Yeah. So I think this is okay like this, right? Yeah, I like it. So let me just do this one. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now, and I like it. So I think it's okay now. And you know, the first step to achieving a good eyebrows, that's if you want to do your eyebrows, you need to groom first. You know, take away the unwanted hair, which is exactly what I have done. And even if I'm going to be doing my eyebrows now, I'm not going to be doing too much. It looks really, you know, in shape, and I might just fill it in, just, you know, lightly, or I might not even fill it in, and I just step out, do a very light makeup, and I'm good to go. And again, I'm not really this person that wears makeup every day. I can just put on my wig, apply my sunscreen, and yeah, I'm good to go, and I just look, you know, natural and beautiful still. Purposely, I left my eyebrows to be this grown because the last time I went to the salon, I told them to groom it for me. Even when I was telling them I don't like it to be tiny, it's as if they were not getting me. At the end of the day, it was too tiny and I don't like it that way. And so I had to leave it to be grown so that I can, you know, groom it to the way I really like it, and I like it now. So, do you love? I love it. And please pardon the noise. I live very close to the roadside, so in fact the noise at times is not interesting, and there's no power, so I think someone's generator is on. I can choose to put on the generator and film, but the noise again is not going to be, it's going to be disturbing, you know. So I'm going to polish my toenails, and then I'm also going to get my nails done as well. Okay, so I'll see you. my sister. She'll be polishing my toenails for me. And by the way, see how ugly they look. Oh my goodness, I've had this Catex on for like a long time.
I don't think I've used this color.
Those ones that I used to
Very fine.
It's very, very fine. Like it. My sister, and I'm just relaxing while she's pampering me. And she's been home now for some time because the ASU strike, is still very much on. So I'm just taking advantage, having her around. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. Love you. So, yeah. Oh wow, this is really beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. I love it. So that is it. We have come to the end of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I totally did enjoy putting all of this together for you all. I also did enjoy taking care of myself at home and having my maintenance day, and I fixed my nails, I polished my toenails, I groomed my eyebrows, but I had to fix my eyelashes as well. And this hair that I have on, I love it. I got it from a hair vendor over here, and ever since then I have loved it. So even without makeup, I look so good. I'm just loving the way I'm looking. And I just want to quickly say that self-care or maintenance routine doesn't necessarily have to be very expensive. Now, if these are things that you can do by yourself, like I can do some of these things in the comfort of your home, why not? It will also help to reduce cost. And also, if these are things that you cannot do by yourself, you can also actually find your way around it. Have a self-care or maintenance routine that is within your budget, something that you can conveniently afford and keep up with. Again, I have noticed that self-care actually does me a lot of good. It helps me feel really relaxed, and it uplifts my mood. Yes, and helps me to begin to exude this sort of confidence. Okay, like you notice the intro to this vlog and the vibe now is different. And again, what it does for me is it helps me to be mentally ready, to take on the task for the day, and be good at it, because I feel coordinated, because I feel put together. Yes, so I know I'm a human being, and I get tired at times, because work can be very exhausting. I tend to feel lazy, and it slows down the pace of me keeping up with myself. But the truth is that at the end of the day, you just have to come first. You have to put yourself first. You have to put your well-being, your state of mind, your mental state, your physical look, it has to come first. And self-care really supports the overall well-being. That is it, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.